Hi, this is Ben, and I have this pack of VGOODALL butterflies. These are butterflies that you can use to decorate your garden, your flowers, anywhere around your house, inside or out. They come separated, the butterflies and the holes, so it does require some assembly, so let's check them out. The butterflies themselves, the wings are, it feels like a paper, but it feels pretty more durable than paper, I think. They're a little bit posable as well. So if you fold it up, it remains up. If you fold it down, it remains down. And at the bottom is where you can attach it to the post. And there's a plastic little body, and these actually look realistic. So these attach very simply to the post and just pushes in and it holds on. And then these are just wire, so these can be bent and placed anywhere you want. You can wrap it around a tree limb. You could stick it down in any flower pot. Anywhere you want to have these visible. There's so much variety here, and they're all so bright and colorful. I love them. These are just a sample of what comes in the bag, and this bag is just full. It's a little bit rainy right now, but let's go ahead and give this a try. Oh, I love it. It's so neat. Definitely looks realistic. Take a glance at this and you would think there's a real butterfly out there. I'm going to try this blue one. It'll stand out a little bit more against the greenery. Yeah, it's great. Love that. This is just a great idea. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.